Task 18O. Open the file that you have saved at the end of task 18H. Find Mr. Varela, a list of all students that he teaches for maths. Include in this extract his full name and teaching rooms. Okay, so what the things we need at the teaching room we need? The full name means first name and second name, though both are required of students. And Varela, Mr. Varela is the teacher who is for maths. Okay, so we have to find the students and the rooms. Okay, we have to find the name of the students and the room, teaching room. Okay, we have to display the details. But where Varela, Mr. Varela is a teaching for maths, for math subject, we have to display the list of the students. Okay, for that first of all we are going to open here task 18H. So 18H is open over here, close. And this 18H we have already created the relationship between the S code and the maths, and that was the one-to-many relationship. Okay, if I open the teachers here, if I open the teachers table, then here we could see that the Mr. Varela is known as AVA, means the teacher code, that is the S code, is given for Anthony Varela is AVA, and he is teaching maths. Okay, as well as Ben added this teacher is also teaching the maths, and others teachers are also given. Here rooms are given, room 54, 51, 53 and so on. Okay, and in students, here are the students table. In student table, here given that the maths is teaching, who is teaching maths, who is teaching the science, and who is teaching the English. Okay, so what we want to find out now, that list of the students we have to explore to whom the teacher Mr. Varela is teaching. Okay, we have already created a relationship that S code is one-to-many relationship for the maths. Now here we have to find the query. We have to create a query by using query wizard. I click on query wizard, then simple query wizard is selected. Now from the table students we have to select student first name, student second name, and the subject maths. In teachers table we have to select F name, S name and room. Okay, so this much information we required, so we selected it, click on the next. Detail show every field of every record, next. Here we have to save the query having name task underscore 18, what is that name, 18O. Okay, click on a finish, so that here will we get the query, and in this query we have to find that the maths, the criteria is teacher is a AVA. If the maths teaching by AVA, then what are the number of students or detail of students list that you have to mention or display on screen. So we run this query, and after running this query we get this result. Total 31, yes, total 31 students are here to whom Mr. Varela is teaching. Okay, so we already saved this table 180 query, so this we have